Welcome back to AK Luxury Car Reviews. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the all-new 2026 Mercedes S-Class. This luxury sedan has been completely redefined, blending top-tier elegance with cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of high-end automobiles, you already know that the S-Class sets the benchmark for luxury, and in 2026, Mercedes has taken it to a whole new level. So, let's dive deep into this masterpiece and see what makes it the king of luxury sedans. At first glance, the 2026 S-Class exudes pure sophistication. Mercedes has refined the exterior design, giving it a sleeker, more aerodynamic look with a bold front grille and new digital headlights that provide unmatched visibility. The signature LED light bar on the rear gives it a futuristic appeal, making it instantly recognizable on the road. With its seamless lines and sculpted body, this car isn't just about looking good, it's about commanding presence. Under the hood, Mercedes offers multiple powertrain options, including a high-performance inline-six, a powerful V8, and even a plug-in hybrid variant with an extended electric range. The performance is silky smooth, with the latest 9-speed automatic transmission providing seamless gear shifts. Thanks to 4MATIC all-wheel drive and the latest adaptive suspension system, the ride is unbelievably comfortable, absorbing every bump while keeping you firmly planted on the road. And for those who crave a bit of extra thrill, the AMG variant delivers mind-blowing acceleration with an electrified boost that takes luxury performance to another level. Now, stepping inside, this is where the magic truly happens. The 2026 S-Class cabin is nothing short of a 5-star experience on wheels. Mercedes has doubled down on luxury, featuring the finest Nappa leather, real wood trims, and the latest ambient lighting that creates a truly immersive atmosphere. The seats, absolute perfection. With advanced massaging, heating, cooling, and even posture correction features, long drives feel like a spa session. The centerpiece of the interior is the massive OLED infotainment screen, now even more responsive and packed with AI-powered customization. The latest MBUX system understands natural voice commands better than ever, and the new AI-driven interface adapts to your preferences over time. The digital driver's display is fully customizable, giving you real-time information with crystal-clear clarity. And if you're a tech lover, you'll appreciate the augmented reality head-up display that overlays navigation directions directly onto the windshield, making every drive effortless. Rear passengers aren't left behind either. The executive seating package transforms the back into a first-class lounge, with reclining seats, personalized climate control, and an upgraded entertainment system with dual 12.3-inch screens. Whether you're catching up on work or just enjoying a movie, this is the definition of luxury travel. Safety has always been a priority for Mercedes, and the 2026 S-Class takes it to new heights. The latest version of Mercedes' semi-autonomous driving system now offers hands-free highway driving in certain conditions, using advanced radar and lidar technology. The car can also predict and adjust for road hazards before they even happen, ensuring maximum protection for passengers. The intelligent driver assist features, like automatic lane change, adaptive cruise control, and emergency stop assist, make driving easier and safer than ever. One of the standout innovations this year is the biometric authentication system. The S-Class now recognizes your face, fingerprint, or even your heartbeat to unlock the car and adjust the settings to your preferences instantly. This means personalized seating, climate, and infotainment settings are just a touch away, without ever pressing a button. Now, let's talk about the sound system, because Mercedes didn't hold back. The Burmester 4D surround sound system has been upgraded with new resonance technology, making every song feel like a live concert. The system even integrates with the ambient lighting, creating a synchronized visual experience with your music. It's something you have to experience to believe. Of course, luxury doesn't come cheap, and the 2026 Mercedes S-Class is no exception. The base model starts at around $120,000, with fully loaded versions crossing the $180,000 mark. But when you consider the level of craftsmanship, technology, and comfort you're getting, it's clear that the S-Class remains the ultimate luxury sedan, giving you an experience that no other car in this segment can match. So, is the 2026 Mercedes S-Class worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a business executive, a luxury enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in life, this car delivers in every way. It's not just a mode of transport, it's an experience, a statement, and a benchmark for the future of automotive luxury. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to AK Luxury Car Reviews for more in-depth car reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments, would you take the new S-Class over its rivals? And what's your favorite feature? Stay tuned for more, and as always, drive safe and stay adventurous.